Okay, here's how to create a custom pricing plan for your client and then assign it to your client's sub account. Once you're logged into the agency tab within Synthflow, you're going to see the pricing tab here. Underneath sub accounts, click on pricing and then hit create pricing plan. Next, this is the first step. So for this example, we're just going to create an unlimited pricing plan, your top tier, which your ideal hopeful client would choose. We're going to call this plan unlimited, and description for expert level folk. Okay, you can get the wording a bit better than that, but the maximum minutes available for this is going to be 1,000 free minutes on this plan. Once you have that, click next. And remember, when you're setting all this up, this actually goes and integrates it directly within your Stripe account. So you just need to create it here and all is well. The monthly subscription fee for this plan is going to be $10,000 per month. It's also going to be usage-based pricing, which is going to be $0.99 per minute that they go over. So you get 1,000 minutes for free, and then it's $1 a minute if they go over. We're not going to discuss the ins and outs of pricing plans on this one. I'm just going to show you how to do it. The max number of assistants that they're going to be able to have on this plan is 50. You're going to be able to have all types of assistants. If you did want to toggle these on or off, you can just click into them. But for this pricing plan, we're going to click all of them. If you wanted to actually assign assistant to the pricing plan, you can. Let's say we're going to assign Amy, our auto drive receptionist. We're going to assign our assistant Kate for rentals, and we're going to assign Sam, our new car salesperson. So say this fictitious client is going to be a car dealership. Let's press next. The max amount of teams that they can have in this plan is going to be 10. The assistant team we're going to include is going to be our auto drive team of assistants. If you want to learn how to create a team of assistants, check out one of our other tutorial videos. Next, we're going to press this button again. And now we're through to workflows. Workflows are the internal automation flows that you can create within inside of Synthflow. For example, when a phone call happens, update a Google Sheet, for example. But you can make this as simple or as complicated as you like. Another example will be when this happens, when a form is filled in, call or make a phone call which triggers an assistant. We haven't got workflows created already for this plan, but we're going to say you can also create 30 workflows within this plan. And now we go ahead and press finish. We're going to get this modal saying, are you sure this pricing plan is ready? Once created, you will no longer be able to modify it. I am. Press continue. And here we have it. We have an unlimited pricing plan. We have the price that's set. We have the assistants which is set to it, the team of assistants, and also the number of workflows. If you wanted to check, you can assign this, or if you wanted to assign this to a sub account, click on the sub accounts. We're going to click tutorial. We're going to click manage. We're going to click the pricing tab. We already have the basic plan assigned to this one, but we will assign our unlimited plan to this sub account, and now we have both. If you press access, you can log into the sub account, and that should be reflected in the client side too. There we go. We now have 2 pricing plans available to your client. Hope you enjoyed this super simple tutorial, and see you on the next one.